Toptal Freelance Honest Review, watch before using. Welcome to the video. Links to Toptal are available in the description below, so feel free to check them out as we go through this honest review. Toptal is a premium freelancing platform tailored specifically for highly skilled professionals in fields like software development, design, project management, and finance. Unlike many freelancing platforms that are open to everyone, Toptal focuses on connecting businesses with the top 3% of talent worldwide. If you're a business owner or manager looking for experienced, vetted experts, or a freelancer with exceptional skills seeking high-paying clients, Toptal could be for you. The standout feature of Toptal is its rigorous screening process, which ensures that only the best freelancers are accepted. As a freelancer, you'll need to go through technical assessments, interviews, and test projects. But if you make it through, you gain access to high-quality clients, competitive pay, and projects that match your expertise. On the client side, Toptal saves time by pre-matching you with candidates that fit your specific needs, making it perfect for critical, time-sensitive projects. That said, Toptal isn't for everyone. Freelancers who are just starting out or lack advanced skills may find the platform too exclusive. Similarly, businesses with smaller budgets might find Toptal's pricing higher than general freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. However, for those who value quality and reliability, Toptal delivers exceptional results. In summary, Toptal is created for experienced freelancers and businesses that prioritize top-tier talent. It's a win-win if you meet their criteria or are ready to invest in premium services. Before you decide, weigh your priorities. Are you ready to compete with the best or pay a premium for top-notch results? If you found this review helpful, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. Your support helps promote content like this and ensures others can benefit from honest reviews. Thanks for watching.